here's our garden.
Garden?
Call it Garden A.
Garden A? Okay. Nice flowers.
Yeah.
It's all gone now? Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, wow. You
Here's one potato.
left over?
Yeah.
This pile
Pile of hay.
of hay. Why hay is here?
There was hay over top of the potatoes.
Okay. So you
And-
covered.
Yeah.
Okay.
Covered potatoes.
Mm.
I think next year we're planting garlic here.
Garlic?
And
Okay.
so we're putting hay over that.
Yeah.
Crop rotation.
Crop rotation. Oh, so you changed the crop every year.
Yes,
Ah,
called crop rotation.
okay.
This is a pumpkin.
Oh
We
my
did not
goodness.
plant it here, but it just showed up.
The volunteer.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a
So we kept it.
okay.
This here, this little guy,
Yeah.
is a potato bug.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we don't really like them. Yeah, this is an adult, but the larvae, they eat the leaves.
That's terrible, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we killed them all. We have buckets all around the gardens because whenever we hack, we find so many rocks, so we just put them in the bucket. And then Zigmar will come along and pick them up with his tractor
Ah, okay.
because they're too heavy to
Yeah.
lift up.
Good system.
Sunflowers. Then in the other beds, there's glads, like bee pollinators, crimson clovers.
Oh, crimson clover.
Yeah. We got a bunch of summer squash here, a couple rows of it.
So you have varieties of
Yeah,
squash.
mix. I planted all this squash.
You did?
I plant one here,
Okay.
and then one in the middle.
Oh,
I think we planted some nasturtiums in the middle, so
These-
those are cute.
these are cucumbers?
Yeah.
With flowers.
These are, this half is cucumbers.
Okay.
And then, as you see, those are corn.
Farther over there is corn. Okay. What are those orange flowers?
They are
Right? Whichever.
nasturtium.
Nasturtium. Is it beans or peas?
Those are peas. Those are beans?
Beans,
Yeah.
yeah.
What kind of beans are these? Can't remember.
That's my question.
She's trying to
They're
revive them.
valuable.
They're valuable.
They're valuable. Some sort of heritage variety. I think.
Yeah.
So you are planting this for seeds, is that right?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. So you collect the seeds from here
Yep.
and then plant next year more.
Yes.
Ah, okay.
Okay,
That's the
okay.
strategy. Okay.
We planted lettuce
When did you plant?
a week ago. About a week ago. Didn't end up growing very good.
Oh,
It
okay.
was too dry.
So you transplanted. Is that what you mean?
Yeah, we transplanted it and then
Water. We don't have water.
no, we don't have enough water.
We didn't do well.
No.
So what do you do after?
Probably gonna replant
We
this
plant?
bed.
Sometimes you plan, but it doesn't go as you plan
Yes.
because of the weather.
Yes.
I see. Okay. Yeah.
We are having a lot of challenges with growing because it's too dry.
So things grow slow.
Yes.
They don't germinate.
They don't germinate
They
now.
don't grow real well.
These are freshly fluff and buff.
Oh, so what does it mean, fluff and buff?
So after we weed it all out
You read it. Oh, yeah.
and then we hack it,
You hack it. Okay.
to like mix it, hack it,
The
and
top of the soil.
then we flatten it.
Okay. Okay. So bed preparation, basically.
Yes.
That's how you prep the bed. Okay. And the lettuce.
This is more lettuce.
Yes.
It'll be growing
How
couple weeks.
old were you? Couple of weeks. So that was supposed to be
That was
like
supposed to be lettuce.
this, but they didn't grow very well.
No.
Like weeding?
It's not bad.
Not bad. Okay.
Beds like these take a long time, so they're not as good.
Mhm.
It's the beds that just have a little bit of weeds that we like keep up on
Right.
aren't as bad. This is a bed that the weeds grew
Oh.
quite a bit.
Wow. How tall are you, Ryan?
5'5".
5'5", and then this is the weed.
These 3 rows
Yes.
were all garlic, and we fluffed and buffed them all.
Mhm.
And we planted carrots, and then we took all the hay, mulched.
Right.
That's the rest of garden A.
Okay. This is the garden.
Here's garden B.
Now garden B.
This part
Oh, wow. What is this?
just came off of this half. Part just came off of garden B yesterday.
tractor can come and move it.
Yes, so we don't have to
Yeah,
let
the tractor.
That saves your bags.
a lot. Yes.
This is sweet potato.
Oh, sweet potatoes?
Yeah. And then
Ooh,
we planted in between the sweet potato glads.
Uh-huh. Oh, wow.
And crimson clover.
Well, it reduces the weeding.
Mm-hmm.
We have cauliflower, kohlrabi, and Brussels sprouts.
Okay.
The cauliflower another 4 or 5 weeks before it's ready. Oh, look! Hey guys, look!
Oh. Oh, wow.
A baby one. So we gotta let it get bigger.
Oh, my.
Kohlrabi.
It looks huge. The big one.
Yeah, it's bigger than my hand.
Wow. That's huge.
This is a seed crop for hope seeds. They're one of my favorite beans.
It's very pretty.
They taste good. They taste good.
So you're allowed to sample?
I'm allowed to sample.
These are Brussels sprouts.
Brussels
Oh,
sprouts
Brussels sprouts.
for November and December.
November and December.
Oh yeah, kale, and then
Oh, they're kale.
cilantro.
Cilantro and kale together?
Yeah,
Ah,
And what else?
dill in that bed. Oh,
Dill.
and crimson clover.
crimson clover.
And dill, cilantro, and beneficial flowers.
Oh,
Beneficial flowers. I see. Yeah.
We have an assortment of squash way at the other end.
Well, summer squash over there, right? Yeah. they
Winter
showed-
squash.
This is a winter squash.
Yeah, that's
I see. It's pointy.
They're pointy cabbage. I forget the variety name.
That's different.
They're a summer cabbage.
Summer cabbage.
So
Okay.
they'll be the first ones to harvest. They're a little bit
Oh.
sweeter than the regular cabbage.
Pretty.
We already picked them all,
Okay.
but they're my favorite. Blackcurrant, blackcurrant, redcurrant. I think this is clear.
So this is honeycrisp? How is it?
Not quite right.
Good.
Good? Oh, wow. You're allowed to eat, yes. Is it good?
Yep.
Earth is so kind. Just tickle her with a hoe and she laughs with harvest.